Fuck you!
Tingnan mo to.
Aray, napamagod. Just mo.
Ito, totoo na, ipis.
Fuck you!
Ito yung ipis, oh.
Plastic.
So, po na to. Sige yan. Ano to?
Kukunin ng ina mo.
Ina mo, gago.
Happy April Fool's Day, guys! So that's my prank for this year. Grabe, na-enjoy ko to. Grabe rin, katakot-takot na mura ang inabot ko sa kanila. And syempre, hindi kayo nawala din, guys. I hope you love this video, and if you love this video, make sure to thumbs up like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Follow me on Twitter, I'm Richard Serrano, and Instagram, Richard Serrano. Init. Woo! So, that's it, guys. Peace on the earth and love, Richard.